Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Well, I want to take you back to the end of July when I was doing some Rae Dunn hunting in my mom's area. Now, I always have really good luck in my mom's area, but this time there was absolutely nothing. I got no footage, there was no fall, there was no Halloween, there was nothing on the shelves worth even filming. So what happened was, come back to my area a couple days later, and I'm asking my home goods, oh, when do you think you're gonna get some Halloween or fall items in? And she's like, oh, this week we're expecting a shipment in, and we're really hoping that we're gonna get some of those items in this shipment. So of course I'd go back, I would look, I wouldn't find anything, and then Friday comes, August the 7th. I'm out for my walk for 30 minutes, I come home, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna clip up my hair, I'm gonna throw on some clothes real quick, nobody's gonna see me, I'm gonna have a mask on my face, so let's go see what I can find. So I'm gonna share with you a couple clips from that day. I met some really nice girls there. So anyways, watch a couple of these clips, and then I'm gonna share with you guys what I found at this Home Goods. As you can see, they have a lot of these pumpkins here. They are so cute. This one over here is a bigger one. This is Blessed, and this one's priced at $19.99. And then you have the smaller one that says Thankful. This one is priced $14.99. And here's some more down here. You got Family, and then you got another Blessed one. I came in here first thing this morning, wanted to see if I could find some Halloween, and there was a tank sitting over here, and I spotted 3 Happy Halloween mugs, so that made me super excited. So I thought I'd walk around the store a little bit more, and then I came across a nice lady over here. I came back by the tank, and wouldn't you know it, there was the treats canister, and I passed right by them. I didn't even see them sitting there because they were turned around like this. And then another lady came walking up, and I decided, I had 2 in my cart, but she's nice enough, she wants to give me Pumpkin Love, because I've been looking for this candle, and I absolutely love it. So I'm giving her pumpkin, she's gonna give me Pumpkin Love, and I'm going to give her the treats canister, because she's got 2, she wants another one for a girlfriend, and one for herself. So
This is how this works.
we made out.
You share.
Well, as you can see, I'm in my office, and I brought in all the items that I purchased on Friday into this room here and set it on my desk so I can share with you guys. Now, as you can see, all these pumpkins I have, I think I'm all pumpkined out. I have a ton of them, and then last year I have the white one that says Family, and then I have another white one that says Hello Fall Y'all. So I don't think I need any more pumpkins. I've got this one in orange, it says Gather, and you know what? What happens is they come out with all these new colors, and you just feel like, oh, I need them all, I need them all. So anyways, before I get started with this haul, I want to give a shout out to Karen. She was in my video, the lady that I met that day. She was super nice, enjoyed talking to her. Just want to say hi, Karen. And the other girl, I want to apologize, I forgot her name, but me and her had a real nice conversation. We talked about Rae Dunn. She was in there looking for a few things. Some of the things that we got, like the mugs and the canisters, she wasn't interested in. And then we talked about the kids going back to school, and she was super nice, and I just want to say hi to her, and let me know down in the comment, say that was me, and that way I can remember your name. And it was funny because when we were talking, she says, oh, do you do a YouTube channel? And I was like, yes. And I guess she recognized my voice because, of course, I had a mask on, my hair was up in a clip, and I had just ran in there just to see what they had because I wasn't expecting to talk to anybody. I wasn't expecting to find anything. So she recognized me from watching all my videos, and I just want to thank her again. She said she watches all my videos. She enjoys watching them. So that made me really, really feel good. And when I was there, I guess I was just caught off guard because I really didn't say anything. We just talked about, like I said, we were talking about Rae Dunn. We were talking about the kids going back to school. But I really appreciate you that you watch my videos. I mean, that makes me really feel good. So I just want to say hi, and maybe I'll see you out again. And then if you just want to, like I said, leave me a comment, maybe we can get together sometime and do a little Rae Dunn hunting. But let's get into this haul, and I'm gonna get up and share with you guys what I found. And let's see, I guess I can go with the pumpkins first because there's a ton of pumpkins. Now, what they did is they came out with this new color, this orange, and I absolutely love this orange color. This is so pretty. This is a smaller one. This one is $14.99. I guess you could call this the medium size. This one says Gather. And I just, you know what? I wasn't going to go with the dark orange colors this year, but when you see this, you know, it's like, no, got to have it. And I'll do some kind of decorating with this. And like I said, I started to pull out some of my stuff already to see what I have. And I'm going to definitely be using these on my mantle. So there's this orange one here. And then I have the bigger one here. This is the Harvest. This one's in orange. Now this is priced $19.99. And I just love this color. I just think they're so perfect for this season. This one says Harvest. And that's a new color for this year. And then this here, this is in a really light pink color. This is so pretty. This says Hello Fall. And this one's $19.99, so this is the bigger one. And it's just absolutely so pretty in this light pink. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pair this light pink with this green color. I don't know if you can see this little green color here. There's a lot of stuff out in the stores that is this color green here, and it says Gather. So I think I'm going to pair it with some of those colors. And here is the pumpkin again. I got to make sure that I don't trip over any of my stuff. And then here is this beautiful green. I could not pass up how beautiful this color is. It says Harvest. This is one of the medium-sized ones. These are priced $14.99. And then I couldn't pass up, you know, everything that's little is cute. So this tiny little, I kept calling it Baby Boo. I kept telling my husband, oh, I got the Baby Boo, and he didn't know what I was talking about. And it's the little pumpkin that says Boo. Now these small ones are priced $7.99. This is black with a little white lettering, and I just think it is so cute. So this is my Baby Boo. And then I found, this one's from last year. So again, I have all the sizes. I have this medium size one. This one says Spooky. This is in black. And then I have a big one that I found. I'm trying to think when I found this one. Okay, this one was over at my mom's house, over in her area. I found this one that says Boo. So the two items that I found over at my mom's was this Boo in black, and then I found the pink one that said Hello Fall. Well, the next item I found was this Rae Dunn blanket. Now this one I found over in my mom's area the same day I found the two pumpkins. Now they're priced $16.99 on their blankets. Now this isn't fall or Halloween, but I absolutely love their blankets. They're super soft, and this one says Blessed, so I could always use more blankets, and this is like an off-white color. And then the day, Friday, over at my Home Goods, these are the items I found that day. I found the 3 Happy Halloween mugs. These were sitting on the tank, and there was 3 of them, and they're priced $5.99. Now, what I love about this, I love the orange, shiny color of this on their mugs, and it also have the canisters that say Trick or Treat. I absolutely want to find the canisters because I love this shiny orange. This one says Happy Halloween. And all their mugs are priced $5.99, and I did pick up 3 of these. And then what happened when I was there, I found the 3 mugs. And I'm trying to think. I found the 3 mugs, and then the lady gave me the Pumpkin Love candle. It's a candle. And then I went home, and my husband's like, oh, we need to go over to Lowe's. And I said, okay, well, since Lowe's is right across from Home Goods, hey, you want to drive me back over there and see what else I can find? So I went back over there, and the tank was full of these. Absolutely full of all these little mugs with the toppers. This says Wicked Witch. Now these are priced $9.99. These are really cute, but you know what? What am I going to do with all of them? You know, like a ton of them. Like they had the Boo, they had the Haunted, I got the Hocus Pocus one. So of course, I just kept these 2 for myself, because really what I'm going to do is probably just use one of them, maybe in one of my Halloween displays. But these are really cute. Again, I mean, you're tempted. You'd love to have all of them, but I don't need them. And you could always take the top off, I guess, and then you could use the mugs on your coffee bar. I mean, I could always do something like that, but I like the witch's legs. I thought that was real cute. But this one says Hocus Pocus. This is in orange. I love the writing in orange. And then they did have a Hocus Pocus that was the white lettering. But I went ahead and got the orange. And then, of course, on the tank, and I passed it right, I walked right by it because I saw the orange mugs, turned around, took the 3 mugs, put them in my cart, and I went back up front. And then I thought, well, let me go back to the stock room because I know they got a shipment in. I know they're going to be pulling more stuff out. This was turned around like this at the very top, so I didn't even pay attention. You can easily just walk by items and not even see them. And then I turned it around. It said treats. There was 4 of these. I had put, I think, 2 in my cart. And again, I only need 1. There's no reason to me to have any more than just 1, because I think what I'm going to do for this one, I'm going to put candy in it for Halloween. I don't know this year if we're even going to have trick-or-treaters. My son was like, oh, I don't think you're going to have any trick-or-treaters this year come around. And I'm thinking this is really sad because, you know, this year I'm feeling pretty good and I want to really decorate and just enjoy the holidays. So that'll be a bummer if that doesn't happen. But I'm going to go on as usual. I'm going to decorate. I'm going to put my Halloween stuff outside and I'll play my Halloween music. And if anybody comes around, I'll be super happy. But the treats canister, this is pretty big. This is priced $14.99. It's got the orange lettering. This is really cute. But what I'm going to do with this, I think I'm going to put my Halloween candy in this. And maybe some of the mothers that show up, if they come to the door, they'll be like, oh, is that Rae Dunn? That'd be really funny. So anyways, I got that, and I just got one for myself. And then I need to bring this stuff over here. I picked up a couple candles because I love candles. And this one is pumpkin sugar. And these candles are from Home Goods. And they do smell really good. I haven't lit this one yet, but it smells really good. They're priced at $6.99, and that's a soy candle. And then I picked up this one. It says white pumpkin. And this one happens to be $6.99. So I don't know, let's see what the price difference. No, they're $6.99. But that smells really good too. I mean, this fall is my favorite time of year. I just get so excited this time of year because I just love all the different scents they have out for their candles. And then the lady, Karen, gave me Pumpkin Love, which I was super excited about because I love this. I seen this in another haul. Actually they found the orange ones that said Trick or Treat. I'd love to find that one. But this is just, I think this is just adorable with the little top on there. And the stem on it's black. And this candle is priced, I think this is $14.99. $14.99. And I was thinking, you know what? They really should have this priced lower because you can get the whole canister, this huge treats canister for $14.99, and then you're getting a little candle for $14, same price. But anyways, I absolutely love this. And I'm trying to think, what's the scent? This is called Scarlet Pumpkin, and I think I smelled this earlier. It smells kind of like apple, so that's real nice, but I'm going to use this in one of my displays. And then I found on the tank, they had a ton of these little white pumpkins. There was a ton of family, and they only had trick on there on the other ones. I was hoping to find treat. Now, I saw somebody had treat and it was done in black. I don't know if they make a white one in treat, but who knows? We'll see if we can come across it because, of course, I'd like to have two that say trick or treat. And their price is $7.99 for the little small pumpkin. So I'll hang on to this and hopefully I can find treat. And then what I wanted to share with you, over at Home Goods, they have these little picks here. They're really cute. It's a little off-white, little beige color pumpkin with a little wooden stem. It's really cute. So what I did here was, I don't know if you can see, I took the flower, so I had this on my mantle. I originally had this on my mantle, and like I said, I've been pulling out some stuff and playing around and seeing what I have for fall. And I took my yellow flowers and added these orange ones to it and added these little pumpkins. These come in, let's see how many there is. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Probably about 8 of these. And their price is $7.99 for these little pumpkins on a stick. And what I did is I already made up a little arrangement for one of my displays. Now what I was hoping is, and the reason why I brought this in is because I don't know if I can get this. I have to try to get it back off the flowers. This green color in Gather, I think it would be great if I could find this green color in some kind of flowers and switch out the yellow. So I'm going to be on the hunt for looking for flowers that would go with this color here. But I just happened to play around with this and put the little pumpkins in there and did that. And then one other thing that I didn't show you yet, it's all the way back here. This is one of my last items that I got. Was this orange Gather pumpkin, and this is the medium size for $14.99. And I just absolutely love the pumpkins, and I cannot believe that I found all these items at my Home Goods all on the same day, because I think sometimes, you know, they don't really tell you, like you try to ask the employees, oh, did you guys get any fall or Halloween stuff in? And they'll be like, oh, we haven't seen anything. And then I hear that they had a ton of mugs and somebody came in there and took all the mugs. So you don't know what to believe, you know? So anyways, and then like, let's see, what day was it? Friday, they'll tell you, oh, we're getting a shipment in on Saturday. Well, here they get the shipment Friday and they're bringing out all this Halloween stuff. So you just never know. So if you get a chance to go in the store, you never know, just run in there real quick, take a quick look and see what you never know what you're gonna find. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. This is super exciting for me. I had a ton of fun finding all this stuff. So until next time, happy decorating.